Hi babies! Hello third graders! It's time to make our homework and today we're going to make our homework together, okay? So please prepare your grammar worksheets because we are going to practice. We are going to practice about the present continuous tense. And remember that we use the present continuous tense with things or actions that are happening at the moment, right now. Here we have the structure that we need to follow to make affirmative statements. Subject pronoun plus verb to be plus the verb plus ing. Let's read. I am playing. He is dancing. Look, with ing at the end of the verb. She is watching. It is doing. You are writing. They are reading. They are affirmative statements using present continuous tense. Now let's see how to make negative statements. It's the same, but we need to add the word not. Look, subject pronoun plus verb be plus the word not plus the verb with ing. I am not playing. He is not dancing. She is not watching. It is not doing. You are not writing. We are not reading. They are not learning. Okay, now it's time to read. Here we need to practice our reading skills using present continuous tense. I am sleeping. I am not working. It is raining. It is not snowing. They are eating. They are not playing. He is painting. He is not writing. Okay, now it's your turn. You need to read the structure and then you need to read the sentences. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. I am playing. He is watching television. Okay, now it's your turn. Wow, perfect. Nice job. Very good, boys and girls. Okay, now it's time to practice our writing skills, our listening and writing skills. So look, here in this worksheet, we need to listen, okay? We need to listen to the teacher and complete these 16 statements with the present continuous forms of the verbs you hear. For example, number 1, watch. Watch. Listen, the verb is watch. Watch. So we need to complete the sentence using present continuous tense. So we need to add the verb be and the verb with ing. My sister is watching TV in the living room. Okay, now let's continue with number 2. Teach. Teach. We need to add the verb be and the verb with ing. Mr. Smith is teaching English to her students. Very good, perfect. Let's write it. Is teaching. Nice job. Number 3. Wait, wait, wait. Let's complete the statement using present continuous tense. Very good. I am waiting for a bus. I am waiting for a bus. Perfect. Number 4, play, play. My friends are playing tennis. Well done. My friends are playing tennis. Good job. Number 5. The verb is rain, right? So here we have raining, but we need to complete the sentence using the verb be. It is. Perfect. Well done. It is not raining outside. It is sunny. This is a negative statement. It is not raining outside. It is sunny. Well done. Number 6. Eat. 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 The cat. Very good. Well done. It's eating its food. The cat is eating its food. Well done. Number 7. Play, play, play. My husband. Very good. Is playing in the garden. Let's complete them. My husband is playing in the garden. We need to write is playing. My husband is playing in the garden. Okay, number 8. Go, go, go. Okay, don't forget to complete the sentence using the verb be. I am not, the verb plus ing, going. Very good. Going to school today. I am sick. I am not going to school today. I am sick. Perfect. Nice job. Number 9. Kelly is very tired. She is sleeping. Very good. Kelly is very tired. She is sleeping. She is sleeping. Very good. Nice. Let's complete the number 10 together. My neighbor is bossy. She is watering her yard. My neighbor is bossy. She is watering her yard. Very good. Well done. Fantastic. Let's continue with number 11. Listen. Listen the verb. Drink. 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 Okay, now let's complete this sentence using present continuous tense. Mr. Brown is drinking. Yes, good job, honey. Mr. Brown is drinking a cup of coffee. Mr. Brown is drinking a cup of coffee. Well done. Very good. Number 12. Number 12. Jump, jump, jump. Let's complete this sentence with present continuous tense. Sam and Frodo are jumping over the bridge. Very good. Sam and Frodo are jumping, jumping, jumping. Very good. The verb plus ing, jumping. The next one, win, win. I think we are winning the game. We have 10 points. I think we are winning the game. We have 10 points. Wow, very good, perfect, well done. Now let's see, number 14. Answer. Answer is the verb. Let's complete the sentence using present continuous tense. No one is answering the telephone. We need to complete. No one is answering the telephone. Good job. Number 15. Great, great, great. We are writing the 16 statements. Very good. We are writing the 16 statements. We are writing. We are writing the 16 statements. And this is the last one, number 16. Right. You are writing the answer to question number 16. Very good. Well done, babies. Now, don't forget that we use present continuous for things or actions that we are doing right now, okay? So don't forget to take a picture and send me your evidence in Lab Colina. Okay? See you soon, babies. Bye-bye.